So Shika, how are you?
Yes, I'm doing well. Thank you.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
how
you're
about you?
welcome. Yeah, I'm also doing great and I'm fine. Thank you for asking. And how has your day been?
It has been fine. And it is, raining here. So we are
It's
enjoying.
not raining. So what kind of season do you like? You like rainy season or you just hate it?
No, I like rainy season as well winter season. But in
Okay.
summer season, little bit I don't like.
Yeah, actually, yes. In summer, you feel a little bit exhausted, right now? So I think that
Yes,
is
yes.
what the thing is. Yeah. And I think in summer you have to get proper drinks and all. But in winter the things are not like that. You know, you can drink less, right?
Yeah.
That is the thing.
And days are so boring.
Mhm. Right, right. And days are very long in summer, right now.
That's right.
Yeah. So, do you know the topic for the day?
Yeah, the topic is e-learning, I think. Huh? Yeah, but
Yeah, the
I
top.
didn't read properly. But yeah,
Yeah, yeah. Actually, it's
for
about
having
e-learning
discussion,
only.
change.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Pardon.
Yeah, before having just I have seen.
Okay, okay. No, it's fine. And the topic for the day is e-learning. So, would you like to talk about this topic, or you have something else in your mind to talk about?
No, we can talk. We can go with this topic.
Yeah, fine, fine. Okay. So, as you already know the procedure, that I have few questions with me, and I'm gonna ask you one by one. Fine now.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. So, you know what, Shika, my first question is always the same. What do you mean by e-learning, and what is the first thing which comes in your mind when you hear about this word e-learning?
E-learning, it means electronic learning means just digital learning, which is going nowadays. So
Mm-hmm.
this isn't the electronic learning.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, e-learning.
Yeah, yeah, no, no, that was a very nice answer, and I totally appreciate that thing. Yeah, and I also like, e-learning and all, because I think it is something which is very easy to access right now. You don't have to walk here and there, and you don't have to use transportation and all to travel. So just you are at your home and you can have the online classes or online lectures. I think that's a very amazing thing. Mm-hmm.
Definitely.
Yeah. And I watched some of your videos, and I think you talk with a lot of people. That's why you're very much confident right now.
Yeah, you can say.
Yeah, I can say that, right? Okay, so like, when did you like start this thing? You know, talking with random people or strangers.
Yeah, I started for the last 2 months. It has been.
Okay, so since 2 months.
Yeah, only since 2 months.
Yeah, and I think the improvement rate is I think it's very fast. So good only. Yeah.
Might
All
be.
right. So yeah, it is. And now coming back to our topic, so my next question to you is, do you feel e-learning should be promoted? What do you think about it?
Okay, so yeah, it should be promoted. No issue. But face-to-face learning is more better than e-learning. But this is only one option nowadays. So
Mm-hmm.
I think it should be promoted everywhere, because if we have nothing else for teach, so at least something where we can provide the e-content. So that's why it should be promoted. And also along with the face-to-face mode of learning, so that time it will be learned. So it will be useful for the students and their parents, because they then they'll connect with the education system directly. So
Yes.
that's a
That,
good thing.
yeah. Mm-hmm. That is what the thing is. So like, if I ask you, what do you prefer? I'm asking about your personal perspective. Online era or offline era? Which one? Online mode, offline mode?
If I just say about students and their whole holistic development, so for that face to face and offline era, this is better, because whenever they come at a school, so their environment, something they meet some people, So it would change them. But
Yeah,
yeah,
exactly.
online it is only for, only for our option for this critical period.
Yeah. So you mean that online is not a permanent solution? The
Yeah.
permanent solution is offline only. This is what you're trying to convey right now?
Yes, yes. Because for kids and for, for learner, offline mode it is more better than online. And online it is okay, it's more better for youth, for adults who
Hmm.
can understand about this. But for
Yeah.
kids, this is quite difficult.
Yeah. And I think because of this e-learning, I think most of us, we are very much nowadays, we are very much procrastinating, that we are going to do this thing tomorrow, not today and all. So I think we're becoming very lazy day by day. Don't you agree with it?
Yeah, why not? Definitely.
Yeah.
Not only students, sometimes, youth, they also do it.
Yes, yes, yes. So, and if I talk about specifically Mumbai now, so it has been, I think, 5 or 6 months since I have met my friends. So that is what the thing is. So I think I'm also missing offline era. I think offline is something which is totally different.
Yeah,
In online you can talk with each other only by uh, via a video call or something like that, but you can't meet them in personal
with,
and you can't shake hands and all. So that is the one thing which I also miss about offline. Yeah, so I can totally relate with you on this. All right.
you can connect offline, very well than this
Mm-hmm.
online.
Yeah, exactly. All right. So now moving on to my next question. My next question to you is, what are the advantages and disadvantages of e-learning?
Okay, so, advantage, there is several advantages. Like e-learning, by this student can develop their skills. By
Mm-hmm.
e-learning, they
Yeah.
can understand what is digital era. They also can understand means how to operate cell phone, how to handle. Okay, and they most of the time they just control themselves, for attending class online. Because offline it's okay, it's depend on teachers. Most of the time teachers just handle them, but online this is up to them, but they are doing this. So this is also one advantage, that they just develop their caliber more and more.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
This,
Right.
yes. And online it also just make students to develop their, I think, morals, means what is
Mm-hmm.
good and bad. You also can understand,
Yeah.
they also can understand. And it is also better you if a student they are doing any, attending class. So if they have to learn something, so teacher can learn by different way. They can share screen and they can just I think put up the topic from here and there, and then they can calibrate this.
Right.
So in this way, they can represent
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they can
very.
express their ideas and all. Right. Very well said. And what are the disadvantages?
So disadvantages also, exist, because if students are doing most of the time they are operating cell phones, so it also affect their eyes. And sometimes it is little bit unauthentically, because
Mm-hmm.
it is
Yeah.
not clear that the homework and the work it is done by students. Maybe
Mm-hmm.
it would done by their parents and someone else. So it is
Yes.
unauthentically also. So it is, I think, little unreliable.
Yeah, you can say that. And one more advantage which I would like to add is that, when I was in school, so I never had that opportunity that if my teacher is very boring, and he is like that kind of person who is very much arrogant, but I never had that chance to change him. But nowadays in online era, if you don't like that teacher, you can just go to YouTube and you can have different tutors or teachers. So I think it
Yeah,
is one of the advantages right now.
definitely it's a major point, I think. Yeah, I
Yeah,
also noticed
exactly.
teachers are changing day by day. So by the
Mhm.
time they are also upgrading themselves.
Yeah, yeah. So yeah, I think it's a very great thing. And as we already know that everything has its pros and cons. So that is so there, you know,
Yeah, right, right.
right now. All right. So now moving on to my next question. What is the difference between e-learning and physical mode of learning. I think that too we have already discussed, you know. So
Yeah,
now I think we can skip this question if you want.
yeah, definitely.
Yeah, na? Okay. So even this question you have already told me. If this question says that, or it asks that, what according to you is better mode of learning and why? So you told me that you like offline
Yeah, yeah,
learning, you know.
yeah,
So
right.
with this we have come to an end to this topic, but we still have 7-8 minutes left. So we are going to talk
Yeah,
about something else, you know.
sure, sure. Okay.
Yeah. So you have any more, like you have any questions to ask me, or I should only ask you?
Yes, I have one question. I just want to know what is the, I think risk. What is the main use of this word? Risk, this is very common word, but most of the people, the ordinary people, what they are thinking about this, and the different successful people, what they think about the things that is risk.
Mm-hmm.
So can you define it
So
simply?
tell me, no, no, continue.
Yes,
That's
about
it.
risk means, yeah, yeah.
So like
How
you were
you
asking me
are,
what is the.
how
Mm-hmm.
you are just supposing about
So
this
you're
topic.
asking me the meaning of risk.
Yeah, risk, and how you are thinking about this. What's your opinion?
Okay, so you know what? I've heard this somewhere that it is in Hindi. Risk hai to ishq hai. So I think risk is something which is very important in our life. You know, if we will not take risk, then I think life is useless. Because if you don't take risk now, then you will be always in a comfort zone. You will never try to come out of your comfort zone, and you can't do something different. You know,
Right,
suppose
right.
take an example. There is this lady in a village, and she wants to do something else, but her parents are telling her to do something else. You know, XYZ things. So if she agrees with her parents only and she will not do what she wants, and if she will not take risk, so I think it doesn't make any sense. So risk is something which is very important. I know it can be dangerous, it can be difficult, but you should take a risk, you know, because life is all about adventures and all right now. Yeah. What do
Yes, yes.
you think about it? Yeah.
Yeah, I also, because earlier I just discussed about this somewhere. So yeah, some people, what they observe, they just thought, okay, risk, because it is harmful for us, we should not take this risk and all. But I thought it is also like an opportunity. You just try. Maybe
Yeah.
maybe it will change your life. You just take a risk and it will change your life. So I think I should try, we should try. Okay, it is little bit weird, because if you are thinking, yeah, we should try, but more of the time, okay, more of the time.
Yeah,
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 some
no.
people.
Yeah, you know, that was a very good thing. Like, you know, they were saying something and you suddenly showed your eyes, and they were like, wait, you know, you know.
Yeah,
Okay, fine. Yeah, continue. Mm-hmm.
yeah. So my opinion also the same. We should try. Yeah, okay, maybe sometime it would be not beneficial for us, but just
Yeah.
try. Because I think in online marketing and all, people most of the time just taking risks. If they will succeed, then that's a great, and otherwise there is no any effect.
Mm-hmm.
So it
And I
also, I
think
think,
it.
up to
Yeah.
our patience. We should have some patience for this.
Right. You know, nothing can happen or nothing can change in few days. You know, it will take some time. It will happen gradually, not in just few hours or in few days. Everything take times, right? And I think risk is something which should be logical. It should not be like, you know, you jump from fifth floor and you say I took one risk and all. It should be logical as well, right now.
Yes, right. Yeah, just
All
I
right.
okay
So,
this point. Risk,
pardon.
what risk?
Hmm? Pardon. Voice was cracking. Can you just repeat your sentence?
Yeah, yeah. I was saying I got to know a nice line about risk.
Yeah, Rasna, yes. It's a
Next
very
time I will
interesting
try
thing.
to do example by this line.
Again, your voice is not coming.
Okay.
What example?
Yeah, I think just I said next time I will try to give this example to someone else.
Yeah, sure. That will be, I think, a very nice thing because as you talk to a lot of people, then I think it will be a very nice thing, you know, because you have to make them relate, then only they will be interested in your conversation, right?
Yeah, right.
All right.
Okay.
So, you wanna say something?
No, first I would like my feedback, then I'll try to say something.
Yeah. Feedback, though, I will give you obviously because we have 4 more minutes left for the session to end. So I will give you in last 2 minutes. Fine now.
Okay. Yeah,
So
right.
you have any more questions?
Yes, about tongue twister. I just
What?
yeah about tongue twister. If we are practicing,
Mm-hmm.
tongue. So it is okay for a pronunciation. Otherwise, we should try something else.
Tongue twisters are something which are, I think, very important. If there are some words which you're not able to pronounce, especially when it comes to pronunciation, then many people they have this problem to say sh, they're not able to say it properly. So I think in that case, tongue twister will help you a lot. So they are very helpful, and there are a lot of tongue twisters which you will get on Google or on YouTube. So I think yeah, we should try that. It's very, it's a very helpful thing. Yeah. Any
Okay.
more thing?
Yeah. No. Not.
No? Okay, then I think I should ask you one question and then I will give you the feedback. Okay?
Okay. So
So do you like cooking?
little bit. I'm not pro.
Okay. Yeah, same here. I'm also not a pro, but sometimes I do it, sometimes. I think it's on my mood, you know. Sometimes yes, sometimes no. Okay, fine. Okay,
Okay.
let's jump to your feedback. Huh? You wanna say something?
Just yeah. I was saying. So, do
Yeah,
you
tell
like
me.
cooking?
Do you like what?
Cooking. The same
No, you
question.
were saying something.
I just saying this. If you like cooking, so which dish you want to make first?
Paneer tikka.
Oh my God.
Have you heard about it? Paneer tikka?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's very yummy, and I would love to cook that thing. Paneer tikka. What is your favorite dish?
Oh, it is very common. South Indian dosa. Just I like it.
Okay, South Indian foods.
Yeah, South Indian foods like dosa, dokla. I
Mhm.
just prefer this.
Yes, yeah, they are very yummy. Nice to know that. All right, now let's come to your feedback. Okay, so
Okay.
in today's session, I've only noticed one mistake. That was this word environment. You know, I think you mispronounced the word. Actually, it is environment. Via
But
environment, not environment. Yeah,
environment. Okay.
yeah, via. Like we say now via bus, via train. So
Yes,
environment.
environment.
Yeah, yeah, right. That was the only mistake which I have noticed in today's session. And as you already know that you are a very good speaker. So the rest
Thank
so you
you.
already know. Yeah, you're welcome. So now I think it's time for my feedback. So did you like the session, Shikha?
Yeah, as usual. I like this also.
That was a very nice thing. Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, because
Continue.
in your session, I think most in a very less time, I just covered most of the time topic, and
Yeah.
okay, we just got to know some new points.
Yeah, that is what the main thing. For
Yeah,
five
that's
minutes, yeah, yes. For 5 minutes, we discussed about this e-learning, then we jump to tongue twisters, then this food and all. So yeah, we give five minutes to each topic, right?
yeah, right,
Yeah.
definitely.
So, okay.
Okay.
So you have any more questions, or should we say bye bye?
Yeah, okay, then bye bye.
Yeah.